It looks different. Look at this. Floppier, way higher compliance.
Holy crap.
Okay, way higher compliance. Now, just go up in increments of 5 if you don't mind.
Wow, Laura's
tell
going
us-
to know how to operate
Oh,
that
yeah,
then
Laura's-
later. Like, there's no tomorrow after today.
So here's 5. Is that 5, Laura?
Yeah.
About 5, right?
Sure.
Okay, so we're getting some movement of it. Okay. So go up to 10. Okay, tidal volume, you have 600 cc's. Okay.
I'm recording that.
Awesome.
Are you going to put it on the website?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man, this is going on the website. So that's a little bit more, and let's keep adding to it. Like, look at this chunk right here, eh? She's just kind of laying off, not really doing much. Oh, look at that.
Oh, don't pop that.
It's a little hematocele, a little bit of blood in there.
Oh man, it's not top.
Now, what we're not... Okay, so...
Close your mouth.
So there's a tiny little bleb right there. Okay, that's another little bleb. What we're not seeing here is the AC membrane.